Okay, earlier I mentioned that we're basing everything on PowerBlend, which is my fully blended mix. Has your cement, Federal White cement, blended sands, pozzolans, defoamer, all the good stuff in it. So if you want a truly high performance concrete bag in a mix, pure white, PowerBlend. Fast, convenient, all that. If, however, you want to make your own concrete, but you want all the benefits that this offers, the ultra high strength, the fast strength gain, the great workability, the very white character to it, but you want to make your own with your own cement and your own sand, then you can use my admix PowerPack. PowerPack is inside PowerBlend. When you make concrete with PowerPack that uses same kind of cement, similar kinds of sands, you're getting the similar benefits to this. So you have total control. You can make your own, or you can use this. We're going to be using this for simplicity, but everything I'm going to show you applies to concrete made with PowerPack or concrete made with PowerBlend.